Earth batteries, a renewable source, have gained popularity for their ability to generate electricity by utilizing the natural potentials in the Earth. These batteries typically produce low voltage levels, which can be scaled up for various applications. However, to ensure safety, people often maintain these batteries at low voltages, usually around 12 volts to 24 volts. To harness the potential of Earth batteries more effectively, there is a need for inverters specifically designed to convert the low voltage direct current, DC, output of Earth batteries into higher voltage alternating current, AC. This essay explores the significance of inverters for Earth batteries and discusses their simplicity and cost effectiveness. The role of inverters in Earth battery systems. Inverters for Earth batteries play a pivotal role in the efficient utilization of this renewable energy source. Earth batteries generate DC power, which is typically unsuitable for most household appliances and electrical systems. To address this limitation, inverters are employed to convert the low voltage DC output into a sinusoidal-shaped AC signal. The conversion from DC to AC is crucial because it allows the electricity generated from Earth batteries to be compatible with a wide range of appliances and electronics commonly used in our homes and businesses. Types of inverters. There are numerous types of inverters available on the market, ranging from simple ones that convert DC to AC to more complex models with additional features such as surge protection and battery management systems. While some individuals with a strong background in electronics may choose to build their own inverters, this can be a complex and time-consuming task that requires a deep understanding of electronic components and circuitry. Simplicity of Earth battery inverters. In contrast to more complex inverters designed for various purposes, inverters for Earth batteries are relatively straightforward in their design and functionality. Their primary objective is to convert the low voltage DC output of Earth batteries, typically between 12 volts and 24 volts, into a higher voltage AC signal, often set at 110 volts or 220 volts and operating at 60 Hz. Due to their specific purpose, Earth battery inverters do not require the multitude of features found in more advanced inverters, making them both easier to use and more cost-effective. Global availability. Inverters for Earth batteries are readily available in the global market, with significant contributions from manufacturers in China and the United States. These inverters are designed with simplicity and affordability in mind, making them accessible to individuals interested in harnessing the power of Earth batteries for sustainable living. The benefits of Earth battery inverters. Sustainable living. Earth battery inverters enable individuals to live off the grid by efficiently utilizing renewable energy sources. This contributes to reduced reliance on traditional power grids and fossil fuels, promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. Cost-effective. Earth battery inverters are designed to be affordable and efficient, making them an attractive option for those seeking to save on electricity bills while reducing their carbon footprint. Environmental impact. By using Earth batteries and inverters, individuals can significantly reduce their environmental impact, as these systems produce clean and renewable energy without harmful emissions. Inverters for Earth batteries play a crucial role in converting the low voltage DC output of Earth batteries into usable AC power for various applications. Their simplicity and affordability make them accessible to a wide range of users interested in harnessing renewable energy sources and living off the grid. With the availability of these inverters from both Chinese and American manufacturers, the transition to sustainable and eco-friendly living is more achievable than ever before. Earth battery inverters represent a significant step towards a greener and more sustainable future.